Lost iPhone contacts. In this video, we'll show you how to restore contacts from an iTunes backup and recover them more flexibly. Part 1. Can you restore only contacts from iTunes backup? iTunes restores the whole backup and may overwrite data. Mobican Doctor for iOS lets you preview and recover contacts selectively without data loss. Part 2. Restore iPhone contacts from iTunes backup via iTunes. 1. Connect iPhone and open iTunes. 2. Select your device Restore Backup. 3. Choose a backup and start restoring. Part 3. Restore contacts from iTunes backup with Mobican Doctor for iOS. Mobican Doctor for iOS lets you preview and recover contacts from iTunes, iCloud, or iPhone backups without overwriting existing data. Step 1. Select Recover from iTunes Backup file. Install and launch Mobican Doctor for iOS on your computer. From the main interface, choose Recover from iTunes Backup file. The program will automatically detect the available iTunes backup file stored on your computer. Step 2. Choose an iTunes backup file. Select the backup file that contains the contacts you want to restore. Then choose Contacts and click Start Scan to analyze the backup content. Step 3. Preview contacts in the backup. After scanning, all recoverable data will be displayed on the interface. Select Contacts from the left panel to preview the contact names, phone numbers, emails, and other details. Step 4. Cover selected contacts. Choose the contacts you need and click the Recover to Computer button. The selected contacts will be exported from the iTunes backup without affecting the existing data on your iPhone. Other recovery modes. Recover from iOS devices allows you to directly scan an iPhone and recover lost contacts without a backup. Recover from iCloud helps you retrieve contacts from an iCloud backup or synced iCloud data. Part 4. iTunes Backup vs. Doctor for iOS. Which method is better?